Okay, one thing I'm going to ask you to do is make a homework binder Google folder. So if you go to drive.google.com, and you should have a Google account. Actually, I think your school email works as a Google account. You can make a new folder and name that folder Homework Binder. And then if you click on that folder, and then you click this thing up here, Get Shareable Link, anyone with the link can view. Then you can copy this, and then go back to this discussion topic, Homework Binder, and all you're going to do is post or paste that link in your reply. And then anytime that I want, I can check on your homework binder. And starting next week, I'm just sometime going to randomly check homework from the last week or homework from the last time that I checked it. And I will just check that most of the problems are there, and I'll assign a number of points to that based on how many problems we were supposed to have done. And I may randomly kind of check to make sure that one or two problems are done well. And that's pretty much how this is going to go. So anyway, you will then just upload photos of your work to that drive on Google, which should be something that's pretty easy to do from your phone. That's the idea anyway. So, okay, that's it.